This is a semi-automatic machine which is durable, fast and easy to use. This machine used to bend the bars in the required measurements and in required stock in less time. The purpose of bar bending machine is to reduce the time, manpower and to get things done in faster ways. Also, accuracy which can be applied in the structure of the building. For precautionary measures, hand gloves, helmets are compulsory while operating machine for personal safety. Bar bending machine is user friendly and available for 32 and 42 mm bars. The operation of machine is demonstrated for some of the sizes of bars. If we are not able to operate the machine by hand, we also get option to operate machine with pedal which can be controlled with leg. It has got emergency cutoff system for protection. Here we see the stock of bars undergone bending machine with different sizes.